Dorothy here, and we're here to celebrate our 200 subscribers. We finally reached it, yay! So we're going to do a giveaway. We'll be doing our giveaway, the drawing on Monday. For prizes, we will be giving away 2 sets of 2 digitals out of our Etsy shop. So you'll be able to go on there, pick which ones you want, email me which ones you want, and I will email you in return 2 sets, or 2 sets of digitals from my Etsy shop. So to celebrate our 200th anniversary, we'll be doing 2 sets of digitals from our Etsy shop, and we'll be giving that away to 2 different people. I just want to thank everyone for their support and, you know, following, subscribing, and all that. In order to join the giveaway, you need to like, subscribe, and comment below. And again, it'll be 2 sets of 2 digitals. And we appreciate, you know, the support and, you know, the friendships and everything that we've made so far, and look forward to 200 more. So we just wanted to come on and let you know about our giveaway, and again, we'll be drawing for those on Monday. So thanks, and have a great weekend. Bye.